Weather affects flying. Weather can significantly impact aviation. Visibility, the ability to see and be seen. Clouds and precipitation affect a pilot's visibility. Visibility affects how pilots operate. There are two sets of regulations that govern how pilots operate depending on visibility conditions. Visual Flight Rules, VFR, are the regulations pilots will follow when visibility is at least 3 miles, which means that pilots can see things 3 miles away, and the ceiling, which is the lowest level of the clouds covering at least half of the sky, is at least 1,000 feet above the surface of the earth. Instrument Flight Rules, IFR, are the regulations that pilots who are instrument rated must follow when visibility is less than 3 miles, or the ceiling is below 1,000 feet above the surface of the earth. Turbulence and wind shear. Wind can move at various speeds and in various directions. Wind affects the movement of the aircraft. Updrafts and downwinds move vertically to the aircraft. Headwinds and tailwinds move horizontally and parallel to the aircraft. Downwinds move horizontally and perpendicular to the aircraft. When wind changes direction or speed over a short distance, it is called wind shear. Icing. Condensation or precipitation in the air can cause aircraft to accumulate ice on the wings. The ice can affect aircraft's performance in several ways. Icing blocks engine air takes, reducing the engine's power. Ice forming on the wings decreases lift. Ice forming on control surfaces compromises the ability to control the aircraft. Ice forming on aircraft increases the weight of the aircraft, but more importantly, it increases aerodynamic drag at the same time that available power to overcome it may be reduced. Microbursts. A wind blast from a thunderstorm less than 2.5 miles in diameter is a microburst. Microburst winds are very fast and can create a ring of wind. Aircraft flying into this ring experience sudden shifts in wind. A headwind can switch to a tailwind, causing the aircraft to lose lift and descend. Microbursts are very dangerous. Warmer temperatures cause the air to rise and expand. Thus, the volume increases and the density decreases. Cooler temperatures cause the air to contract and sink. The volume decreases, the density increases. Air moves from areas of higher density or pressure to lower density. This movement causes wind. A high-pressure system is more dense than the air around it, so it descends to the Earth's surface. This air is cool and dry, with skies that are usually clear and sunny. A low-pressure system is less dense than the air around it, so it rises. As it rises, it cools, and water vapor in the air condenses, forming clouds and possibly precipitation. Curved Earth. Sun rays hit the Earth at angles. Since the surface of the Earth is curved, rays from the sun strike the Earth's surface at different angles. Areas with more direct sunlight are angles that are closer to 90 degrees, have warmer temperatures. Areas with less direct sunlight have cooler temperatures. The uneven heating of the Earth's surface is what causes weather.